So this is how you can find good Vinted clothes. Let's get started by opening up the Vinted website. Now, the key is making sure that your prompts are precise and exact. For example, you're looking for vintage men's clothing. So you're simply going to want to tap on men and now simply tap on all. And so, now that you're in the men's category, you can go ahead and search up vintage. So simply search that up. And now you're in the category for vintage men's clothing. So yeah, the trick is to be precise. For example, maybe you want simply type jeans, and now you can find a lot of jeans that may fit you or that may suit you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do is be consistent with what you type or search, and you'll be good to go. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.